Nokia 6 is a double SIM, GSM and GSM, cell phone that acknowledges Nano-SIM and Nano-SIM. Network alternatives incorporate Wi-Fi, GPS, Bluetooth, USB OTG, FM, 3G, and 4G. The telephone accompanies a 5.50-inch touchscreen show with a determination of 1080 pixels by 1920 pixels, and sensors on the telephone incorporate Vicinity sensor, accelerometer and surrounding light sensor. The Nokia 6 is fueled by 2.2 GHz octa-center Qualcomm Snapdragon 630 processor, and it accompanies 4 GB of SLAM. The telephone packs 32 GB of interior stockpiling that can be extended up to 128 GB through a microSD card. To the extent the cameras are concerned, the Nokia 6 packs a 16-megapixel essential camera on the back and the 8-megapixel front shooter for selfies. The Nokia 6 runs Android 7.1.1 and is controlled by a 3000 mAh non-removable battery. It quantifies 148.80 by 75.80 by 8.60, stature x width x thickness, and weigh 172.00 grams.